Every single district will have one of these going on. So one of these, this one finishes, the other one starts, and it's every day.
Wow.
Every day for at least 2 weeks or 3 weeks.
That sounds amazing.
It is incredible.
I think you've done more in this, like, last 5 weeks to sell people in coming to China. Where have you...